Hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain. I was back with another massive video, and this video is all about the weekly tech updates. This is part, or you can say episode 24 sort of it. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. From the Vivo X80 updates, we are seeing a lot of updates for this smartphone. This phone, the display gonna be of 6.78 inches OLED display, and it's gonna be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000. It's again a leak for the Dimensity 9000. So yeah, it might be having the 9000 in it. It has launched the Vivo Y21G 4G based smartphone. It is powered by the 5000 mAh lithium battery. The pricing is around 14,000 INR rupees. For Vivo X4 has been came up. It shows it's gonna be having dual type of fingerprint scanner on a single phone. What does that mean? When the phone gonna be completely folded and it gonna be having the normal fingerprint has each and every smartphone stuff from the foldable and the normal phone factor have. But when you unfold the phone, it's gonna be having the under display fingerprint scanner for that completely unfolded smartphone, which is a really nice thing as for me. Realme Pad Mini has finally unveiled. It is a really nice tablet as for me. It is powered by the Unisoc T616 based processor. It has been launched in Philippines around 15,000 INR rupees, and it is priced from converted from the Philippines. And yeah, the tablet looks nice and compact. Basically, the processor is also nice. It got the 8 megapixel camera sensor on the rear side. On the budget series, Realme Narzo 50A Prime Edition for the India won't be having a power adapter inside the box, and yeah, it might be a 5G based smartphone as per the expectations from the Realme as per me. 9 Pro Plus Free Fire Edition, which was already announced by the Realme, and it's going to be launching really soon. And we are literally, as for me, I'm really excited for the Free Fire because the lastly Free Fire collab with the Infinix, and that phone was really nice, and personally I loved it. Now it's Realme. Let's see what we can get from over here. GT2 is finally coming on the 4th of May in India. Also on the top of it, Realme GT3 Neo. It's also going to be coming really soon to the Indian markets, and I'm literally excited for the GT Neo 3 because the phone looks really nice. Avita has launched a new laptop known by the Avita Cyrus Ultimate. This is powered by the Intel Celeron based processor and is having the Windows 11 out of the box, which is a really nice thing. And it is priced at 29,990 INR rupees, so it is under 30,000. So if you are looking for one, Avita has launched one. This is a basic based laptop, so only for a work, or you can say the home based purposes. G82. Yeah, it is coming really soon, and it has been seen on a lot of different websites for the certification and that all purposes. And it has been came out with the Android 12 out of the box, which was expected. Also, it's gonna be having Wi-Fi 6E support. So yeah, I'm literally excited for the smartphone also. Motorola G22 has launched in India, and the phone is really nice. As for me, it is only for the basic usage, not a high-end usage. It is powered by the G37 90Hz display. That's the only upgrade from the G35. On the other things, it's completely like the G35. At the pricing, it is under 15,000, under 10,000, or you can say around 11,000. It is only having a one variant of 64 GB. Android 12 out of the box, which is a really nice thing. Motorola Edge 30 is finally hitting some rumors. This phone is going to be having 144Hz display, 8 GB RAM, which is a really nice as for me. And Edge 30 is a middle guy, light, or you can say the fusion versions are going to be coming really soon. Edge 30, I'm literally excited for this phone also. Oppo Reno 8 is going to be coming really soon, but the design and develop purpose has been telling us it's going to be looking a lot like the OnePlus 10 Pro. Yeah, a kind of a BBK mobiles. Don't do that complete design and develop purpose, but let's wait for that one. The upcoming smartphone gonna be having a 67-watt fast charging support. It has been founded from a CT certification website, and it was been listed over that. However, this phone also gonna be having a flexible OLED, just like the Realme GT Neo 3. So yeah, kind of Oppo things happening. Oppo Skate 10 Pro specification that will be officially revealed soon. But China websites have revealed some of the things. It's gonna be having AMOLED processor, Samsung 6.62 inches AMOLED display. So this phone is kind of a say gonna be higher, and also there are expectations for the 5G on this phone. Will officially launching its own very processor, which means not like a Marvel Silicon but a very own typical processor which will do each and everything, and it is project for the 2024 to be revealed, and it's gonna be based on the 4nm TSMC technology. So let's wait for this Oppo's processor. It's gonna be complete different type of market from a lot of different processors. Has introduced a new type of technology in the display which refers from the 1 to 144 Hz even on the refreshing thing. It is known by the WQHD display, and yeah, it's gonna be implemented on the monitors really soon. First time speaking, it's gonna be on the gaming side of monitors from the TCL. WWDC has finally unveiled with a date, and it is June 6 to June 10. Over this event, no type of product is gonna be announced by the Apple. It's gonna be a complete software based and shift based event where a lot of things gonna be happening for the iOS versions, iPadOS, watchOS, tvOS, HomePadOS, and a lot of things gonna be happening. And I'm literally excited for the iOS 16, and definitely it's gonna be blowing your each and everyone's mind. Going on for the kind of a paid subscription for the smartphone for the iPhone. Yeah, it has been rumored from a lot of times, and now it is telling us it's gonna be making more money than selling the regular iPhone. It kind of a gaming thing, but look at over here. It's kind of a say Apple will sell a single phone to 8 people, and they won't be knowing also. On the another end, one phone with the 8 different people on the limited subscription, and they're gonna be bringing it back to them and doing some things and stuff afterwards. If the person is thinking that yeah, iPhones are good, then they will go and buy the iPhone, and more people will shift to the iPhone. Yeah, it is a kind of a hard step, kind of what do you say, a huge step in the marketing stuff. Include, or you can say upgrade the displays of the MacBook and the iPad by the OLED displays, because they are thinking into a different way, and OLED for the MacBook gonna be really nice thing, because I have only heard about the IPS on the laptop side except the Samsung one. So yeah, let's wait for one. Pro 2, successor of the AirPods Pro, is going to be revealed on the 2022, which means this year, and the expectation are for the end, or you can say for the December. And I'm literally excited because the AirPods Pro was really nice, and that's going to be taking it to the another level. So let's wait for this one also. Has launched a 100-watt soundbar. It's kind of a really nice thing, and if you hear the pricing, it's under 6,900 rupees, and it is a really nice thing. As for me, 100-watt are kind of a not a huge demand for the public, but still, if you are looking for one, Photronics has launched one. The name of this device is known by the Pure Sound 103. So yeah, look out for it. It is really nice. Redmi 11 series, both are currently going on in the market, and the Redmi 12 series rumors have been hitting us. Redmi 12 series is gonna be debuting by this 2022, and there are a lot of big rumors. There's gonna be having a huge leap for the company, and different type of stuff. But these phones are mostly gonna be powered by the 5G. Mostly, again, not a 4G smartphone we need. If 5G is there, please bring a better 5G. SM8475. It's an upcoming based smartphone, but there are a lot of expectations it's gonna be the smartphone from the K series. A K means a gaming based smartphone in the Redmi lineup. So I'm literally excited because I love gaming on the smartphones. Zephyrus M16 2022 edition has launched. The pricing is 1,79,990 INR rupees. So here are the specs: 3080 Ti, 32GB RAM, 12th generation processor, and our capabilities are high-lit. This is a completely portable gaming device as per me, and you can do a lot of things on this phone. Well, not the phone, and it is a phone factor really nicely. Anyways, you can grab, if you are looking for a long-term based laptop for your purposes, then you can definitely grab this one. Reno 6 is going to be unveiled on the April 13th. It's gonna be having triple rear camera for the rear side. Definitely one gonna be macros, or you can say the depth sensor. But I'm hoping for a good camera over that thing. So what are your expectations for this new based smartphone? Phonics, or you can say the orange color. which is having a color changing bag, has been launched in India with the same pricing of the 42,999 rupees. So it is a kind of a different gimmick thing. So if you are looking for one, you can definitely grab this one also. This is Z6 Pro, going to be launching in India really soon. It's going to be having a Snapdragon 778G 5G based processor, and the pricing is around 25,000 rupees. I'm having a really high hopes because I do that 6 was really nice. Nord CE2 Lite, yeah, a big name again. It's gonna be powered by the Qualcomm based 695 4G processor. Wait a second, why? This phone isn't targeting any type of gimmick, and the design looks kind of awful as per me. If they have done a job over a lot of things, then what is happening to the OnePlus? Plus Nord N20. It's gonna be having AMOLED display with a 60Hz, 6.43 inches display. Nothing has been revealed yet, but this is might be a future project for the OnePlus. OnePlus has launched a kind of a budget-fied based TV of 43 inches Y1S. You're gonna be officially able to purchase from the April 13. Definitely grab this TV because it looks really nice. Then this gonna be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9000. OnePlus 10 Pro was having 8 Gen 1, and this gonna be having 9000. So it's gonna be a complete type of a competition between both of the smartphones. However, both smartphones are going to be having a different type of price, and also there are some rumors that this phone will be having a dual camera setup for the rear side. Plus Nord 2D, yeah, another name in the OnePlus Nord series smartphone. It's gonna be having 15 megapixel triple camera setup, and the phone, yeah, again it looks kind of a oddish type of design. Nubia Red Magic 7 Pro, gonna be revealed by the April 12th. It's gonna be having Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and their very own certified gaming chip, which is their core chip. And yeah, the phone looks really nice. As for me, Nubia has done 20 years job on the design for the rear side. Galaxy Z Fold 4, yeah, fourth version is coming, by the way. It's gonna be having improved hinge, as usual companies do that all stuff, and improved cameras. It's gonna be having a 3x telephoto sensor, which is a really nice thing, but hinge should be upgraded. I kind of say I like the Oppo Find N. It was having no squeeze in between, or you can say the crease in between. So they should add this thing on this guy. I'm personally waiting for one. So kind of hard to tell. Snapdragon's processor won't be having on this devices. Samsung Galaxy S23 series, yeah, S22 just launched today. Remember that thing. F22 won't be having Snapdragon processor for the Asian version. It's gonna be having MediaTek version. So here's the thing, it might be a 9000 series or 8000 series processor. So personally speaking, a new type of processing for the camera gonna be over this thing. So I gotta be waiting because Samsung sensors and MediaTek are hard to find. But let's wait for this one. Yeah, that's all for today. We got some big news from a lot of different companies. If you end up liking this video, share among your tech geeks who wanted to get updated with the tech news, and tell them to press the bell icon just like you. If you hadn't done one, make sure to do it. You don't get disappointed between them. By the way, this was Captain Diaz. We were watching Heroes and Diaz. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.